Hello, this is Joe Pryor of the virtualrealestateteam.com in Oklahoma City. It's March 2014, time for my market update report. How well is Oklahoma City real estate responding to what's going on in the economy? And the answer, just like last month, extremely well. You know, in February I was talking about 4 months of inventory for the whole MLS. That's incredible. That's a seller's market. And you know, in March it really hasn't changed a whole lot. In fact, in some cases where I was talking about the suburbs having 2 months of inventory, it's even less. Let me give you an example. I've got someone looking for a nice house in Edmond under $135,000, $140,000. Something that's pretty hard to do is find that. Edmond's a strong place when it comes to real estate pricing, but there are properties there. And the last 3 that I've sent over the last 2 weeks are really good. And I said, look, we need to go look at these. And it was like, well, I'll see it in about 2 days or 3 days or on the weekend. And what's happened in every case is that the house sold the first day. In other words, not only investors are looking for houses that are good deals in this price range, but owner occupants are looking too. And the one house that we did find that we did get an offer on had multiple offers. And so this is historically something we haven't seen up until last year. And so now the market is doing extremely well. The Oklahoma economy is doing extremely well, and Oklahoma City is the economic determinator for the economy of the state of Oklahoma. A lot of reasons for that. I'll go over that in another video. But what you have to know is that if you're a buyer, you better hop on something that's priced right. If you have a trustworthy realtor, somebody you have a lot of confidence in, and they say go, you really, really need to go. And if you're a seller right now in the Oklahoma City market and you're on the fence about, well, you know, maybe I'm going to list my home in May or June or July because I always heard those are the best months. That's the cliche. And the answer to that is no, you need to put your house on the market right now. The economy in real estate, like other types of capitalistic endeavors, works on supply and demand. And if demand is extremely high, which it is right now, if rates are dropping again, which they're getting close to 4% for a 30-year loan again, and we don't have enough inventory to meet demand, then your ability to get a maximum price for your house is enhanced. So, you know, I think this is the way it's going to be. The only thing that could change this is if rates go up quite a bit, and I don't anticipate that happening anytime too soon. Seems like rates are really holding extremely well. So if you're a buyer, the market conditions are really not in your favor, and if you do find that one house, do not wait. Put a contract on it the same day, and if you're a seller, get your house on the market. It's going to sell. This is Joe Pryor of the virtualrealestateteam.com in Oklahoma City, where we deliver traditional real estate values at the speed of technology.